welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline and I am so excited today to be partnering with Smith's on this yummy, delicious guacamole that you are going to want to make and add to any family party, when you have a get together or you're just hanging out and want a good guacamole and chips. Also, who doesn't love a good guacamole? I know I do. This guacamole has a secret ingredient and that is the hatch chili peppers, which you could find at your local Smith's grocery store. So without any further ado, let's head to Smith's and get what we need for this guacamole. Let's go. Alright guys, we are here at the grocery store and we are gonna get some hatch chili peppers, obviously the star of the recipe. So I grabbed my hatch chili pepper and bagged it up. Next item on our grocery list is tomatoes, an onion, and then of course chips. They just had them sitting there, so that was perfect. And then we moved on to the produce section. So I got some cilantro, a lemon, and some garlic. I love garlic, guys. And then of course avocados for your guacamole. It's now time to check out, so I just used my Smith's shopping card and then bagged everything up, and I was all set to go home and make some guacamole. Alright guys, I have all the ingredients to make this guacamole. I got my hatch chili peppers, my avocados, everything you need. And the cool thing about hatch chili peppers is like literally you could put them in so many different recipes. This is just like one out of the million you could do. But without any further ado, let's make this guacamole. First things first, I'm going to start by washing all my produce, and then I'm going to be dicing up my hatch chili pepper and taking the seeds out and then putting that in a bowl. Next, I sliced up 2 avocados and pitted them and then put them in a bowl and smashed them down. And then I cut up a tomato and I just diced it up into little pieces and put that in my bowl as well. Next, I'm chopping up half of an onion. I ended up using about 1/4 of it, but kind of just do this based off of how much you would like. That's kind of how this whole recipe is. So I poured that into my bowl, and then I'm just going to chop up some cilantro, throw that into my bowl as well. And then next, I'm moving on with the lemon. I used about 1/2 of a lemon, and I just squeezed that in there. And you could just do this based off how much you would like. I threw in my garlic and then mixed that up. I also added some salt and pepper, and then it was time to eat the guacamole. And look how amazing that looks, guys. It is delicious. And now it's time for the best part. Eat it, enjoy it. Seriously, best guacamole ever. I hope you enjoyed watching this guacamole recipe video. This guacamole is phenomenal, so let me know if you try it below. Make sure to go check out your local Smith's for all your grocery store needs, and of course to get the hatch chili peppers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys later. Bye!